In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Jira site name. If you manage a Jira Cloud site and want the name that your team sees to better match your company or project, this walkthrough will guide you through the exact screens to update it quickly and confidently. First, open your browser and go to admin.atlassian.com. This is the central place where administrators manage Atlassian Cloud settings across organizations and sites. You'll want to make sure you have the right level of access, typically organization admin, so you can see and edit the settings we're about to visit. Once you're in, choose the organization you want to update. If you're part of multiple organizations, you'll see a list here. Take a moment to double check that you're selecting the correct one, especially if you manage several environments like production, staging, or a sandbox. Click Select to open that organization. This loads the admin area specific to the choice you just made and unlocks the options we need. Next, look to the left panel and click Organization Settings. Think of this as the control center for your organization's identity and core details. From here, you'll be able to adjust the information that appears across your Atlassian services. Within Organization Settings, click Profile from the drop-down menu. The profile area holds your organization's public-facing details, the information users will see in various places as they work across Jira and other Atlassian products. Now find the organization name field. This is where you set the name that represents your site and organization. It's a good idea to use something clear and recognizable to your users, such as your company name or the name of a major initiative. Avoid ambiguous abbreviations or special characters that could cause confusion. Type your new site name or organization name into that field. If your company has naming standards, stick to those for consistency. Keep it simple, professional, and easy to read, especially if your teams span multiple departments or regions. When you're happy with the name, click Save. That commits the change and tells Atlassian to update the label across your organization. You should see a confirmation that the settings have been updated. The new site name should start appearing within a few minutes. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a moment and refresh your browser. In some cases, cached pages may take a short time to reflect the change, but it will propagate across the interface soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.